They don't reach standards in special.
Oh, they don't.
More.
Oh my good. This looks like a CVO.
Oh man, you trying to get me in trouble?
Yeah. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, it is finally freaking time. The time you've been waiting for and we've all been waiting for right along with you, man. I can't wait. You guys see we are up here at Harley Davidson, man. One of the one and onlys. I mean, if you have a motorcycle, I feel like you shouldn't really even own anything else other than Harley, but that's just my preference, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta go in here and get a few parts for our build that we're working on. Then furthermore, I want to go up in here and check out the new 2025 Harley Davidsons, man. Come on, let's check it out and see what they got for us. Alrighty. They got the 2023 CVOs up front. Look, they want $32,000 now for that thing, man. Let's see. I know they got 2025s in this thing. He said, man, I got 3 on the floor. So let's see what we got. Let's see if we can find them. Wow, look at that lowrider. That lowrider FT. What's up, bud? Where's the new colors at? The new colors, the new 2025s, man.
I just talked to you, dude.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good,
Ashton,
man.
nice to meet you, bud.
Nice to meet you.
Let's see what we got here, man. Ooh, okay, we got the matte colored one, huh? So what do they call this color right here? Do you remember? You denim purple? Okay, so we have the denim purple, and this is just a regular, like this is a special?
They don't reach standards in special.
Oh, they don't.
More.
Oh, they're all just like black and blacked out like that.
But no, you can get them. They're all the same bike.
Right, okay. Just a different color, so it really doesn't matter if you got the black or not. They're both the same thing now.
That's right.
Got you, okay.
Now this one's got the powdered out. You can't get the chrome.
Right, okay. Got you.
So now the
I like this color, man.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think about the color, man?
I like it. But I like purple,
see,
though,
you know, I'm used. I don't like. See, that's funny you say that. I actually have a purple bike I just built, but it's more so like a glossy bike. Look, I'll show you really, really quick.
Well, they're going to make a purple glossy one this year too.
Oh, see, man, I'm ahead of the game now.
A few, you know, they haven't released all of them.
You can see the back end of it, but
yeah,
you can just get a quick little idea of like the purple I went with. So.
Well, that looks really similar in the pictures.
Yeah.
To the shiny one we get.
Oh, so you seen?
It might be.
So you've seen the new ones already?
I've seen it.
Okay.
Only on the video.
Oh, okay, got you.
I think we got one over at a sister store over in Pasadena.
Pasadena.
Yep.
They might have a new glossy one. Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to check it out, man.
And this is another new color. They call this Iron Horse.
Iron Horse?
Correct.
Okay, so bet it's more so like a dark green, slight gray type of thing, right?
I'm gonna call it an industrial type of look. I don't know what color to call it.
Right.
A grayish green. Yeah.
It's a pretty cool color. I'm pretty sure more people will probably go for this than the purple. What do you think? Has that one been getting more action than this one, or have you guys not sold any 2025s yet?
I haven't sold none of my.
Oh, okay, so they just got in.
Got here.
When did they get in?
Last week.
Oh man, so I'm like one of the first to check it out, man. So y'all see it here first, man. If y'all want any 2025 Harleys, man, y'all come on down. It's Hub. What is it? Stubbs Harley, right?
Correct. Stubbs Harley.
Yeah, y'all come down to Stubbs Harley Davidson. Yeah, they gonna get you right.
For over 60.
Yeah, and if you don't want a brand new bike, they got pre-owned bikes across the way. Whatever your flavor is, they'll get you right? Cool, man.
Absolutely. This one.
Oh my good, this looks like a CVO.
Yeah, I know it, but because it's got the.
Bro, so that's the thing. Like you couldn't even tell if you didn't point this out.
No,
that is insane.
In there. It pops more out in the sunlight.
Oh, I bet. That thing is nice.
These lights and all. You know, you can see.
Wow. Okay. See, look, you got some good eyes. And I'm the one that got glasses, man. You got some good eyes on you, man. I didn't even peep that. I had to get close.
Put it out to me.
I had to get close. Now, this black is nice with the ghost flame on it. I'm digging it.
Yeah.
So is this one considered different than the others, or is this just a different?
No, this would be the paint job's going to make this one more money.
Right. Okay. So, got you. So now, what you think? An extra like 4,500 to $5 grand?
I think it's 2,000 or 2,500.
That's not that bad. Usually, I mean, I remember the CVOs. They're like an extra 5 to 6 grand just for the paint set alone. So that's pretty cool.
Last year's it was actually, I think, 7 grand.
7. Wow, that's insane. That's insane. That's insane. This is a pretty nice bike though, man.
Oh, man.
What are you riding now? This thing is nice. I like the ghost flames on it. The black looks good. What are you riding now, brother?
Man, I had to give up riding because of my
eyesight. He said I gave up riding. Oh my God.
My eyesight, man. I don't even drive a car.
Oh my God. All right, bet. So Riddle me this, man. If you could pick any bike in here, which one would you go with? Which one is your favorite one?
Man, I'd have to take a road glide.
When are we live on?
Oh man, we're on YouTube, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're checking out the new 2025 Harleys because you guys know you guys are like one of the first like dealers in town to really have these things.
Yeah.
So I just had to stop by. I heard they had a few colors elsewhere, but they don't have these colors. I haven't seen any of these yet. So that's what I'm doing today, just checking out some of the new colors and seeing what stores in the area has what colors, so it'll be easier to find.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
We'll, the 23rd is when we'll start getting a lot more.
Oh, okay, got you. So do you think the new CVOs, the color scheme on those are dope? Have you seen them at all?
Oh, man, you trying to get me in trouble.
Yeah, he said, hey, now look, I can't tell you nothing yet. Hey, that is funny, man. That is funny.
No, 23rd, we'll know what y'all know.
Okay, got you.
You know, they really don't.
They don't be trying to leak nothing, huh?
There's things the owners know, but they're everybody's sworn secrets.
Right, got you.
Can't speak on it, right?
Man, they need to give me the inside look.
Hey, we got a little bit of.
Yeah, no, you got a cool little ooh and ah section right here. Yeah, it's looking nice. It's looking nice, man. Right, I can't wait. Appreciate you, bud. Appreciate you, will do. Y'all heard them right there, man. The 23rd of January, they're gonna have all new 2025 road glides, street glides in here. Hopefully we'll get like a Road King. We'll get to see like an update on the Road King or some sort. But if you guys don't want a brand new one, like this one right here is a 2024 and it's only freaking 24K. It's only 24,000, man. So if you guys don't want the other one with the ghost flames on it and everything like that, y'all know y'all can come up here, work a deal. I would come after the 23rd because these things might be that much more cheaper, man. So now the street glide, they want the same price. So it doesn't matter if you want street glide, road glide, they are all the same. Now this one is a little bit cheaper than that. Probably got, oh, that's because it doesn't have the blackout trim. So if you guys want to save $1,000 and keep the chrome, I'd go chrome lowers on this and probably some nice chrome wheels to blend it all in. Of course, they got the chrome bars and everything on there. But like I said, they got the new bikes here ready for you guys, man. 2024s. They got the Big Daddy, the fat wheels. They got every color you want. They got the white. I've seen the orange in here. I've seen a few other colors, but these are definitely the stars of the show, man. Y'all let me know what y'all favorite one is in the video. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like this, the idea of this ghost flame looks good, but the flame is just a little too bright for my light. I mean, too dark for my liking. Like you can barely see it, but all in all, it does look really, really good. It's giving like CVO vibes. It's giving CVO vibes with the paint job. So can't wait. Can't wait, man. Y'all see what's going on. 2025 road glide. Now I'm trying to get a price on these things. I don't see a price on them. I don't see a price on this sucker yet, so we'll have to ask what are these going for. I believe it's probably going for about maybe 32. Now let's see what we got over here, man. Now you guys know this is like a 2021 CVO. Of course, Street Glide, he's got the 21-inch daddies on there, all chromed out, ready to go. And they only want 26,000 for that. So if you want a top of the line bike with the boom audio on it, it got stereo speakers, all that. If you want the nice CVO, this thing is gonna look good. Me personally, this bike is nice, but I will probably go for the new Daddy-O and then just start adding stuff on there slowly but surely. Meanwhile, of course, they got, I believe this is a 2022 Road King right here. Oh yeah, look. See, I be knowing my colors, man. 2022 Road King 21K. Now, I actually like this chalk gray right here. This color is actually growing on me. They had they had a bike similar to this, but it wasn't this light in this chalk gray. It was like a darker chalk gray, man. So this one is actually pretty cool. But the reason why I stepped over here is because this Big Daddy right here, of course, the 25th anniversary Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide. Now this is the Big Daddy right here. This is the CVOST. Of course, it is the 2024, and they got new 2025s out here. But if you have to choose one, I'm definitely gonna choose this one. Like if we just look at it close up, man, you got the exposed carbon fiber fender. Like I said, nice CVO ST wheels, Brembo Big Daddy brakes. Of course, you got that Screaming Eagle right there on the side with the red eye. Got that red eye. Nice Harley Davidson logo with the black chrome, and I believe this one does. Okay, so these titanium Screaming Eagle exhausts actually come stock on this bike. I thought it was a little bit different just because of the black chrome, but huge air breather up here. Looks like you got some T-bars, some aftermarket bars there. They look aftermarket to me. You got some nice aftermarket grips, and then of course you got your 1999 to 2024. The first year they started making CVOs was 1999, and I will let you guys know the first model they started with on this CVO. Just a little history thing for you there, but all in all, nice looking bike, single seat. So Noah, your girl ain't gonna be able to ride on this one. Now if you take this off, you'll be able to have your girl on here, but it's more so fitted for a performance ride, a performance race ride, man. So you guys let me know what you think about it. I actually do like this bike a lot. Now if it was up to me, out of every bike in here, this will probably be the one I choose first, man. So we'll see what we can do. Meanwhile, it's a couple more colors that I want to see for the new 2025s, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get out here and check them out. In the meantime, if you guys want any new bike, man, you see they got the new 2025s. We're up here at Stubbs Harley, and they'll get you guys right, man. So we'll see what we can do. Now, if you guys come to Stubbs Harley and mention everything's regular when you buy a bike, man, I might get a little something, something too, man. So look out for your boy. If you guys want a new 2025, man, they here. If you guys want a pre-owned bike, they are there, but they are all owned by the same family-owned company, man. So shout out to Stubbs Harley for letting me come through. Film the new 2025s. They said the new one should be here on the 23rd. So with that being said, it looks like we'll be back on the 23rd. And then in the meantime, we'll be checking out a couple more Harley Davidsons to see which colors they have in stock for the new 2025s, because it is a few colors, new colors. I haven't even looked at the website. I just pulled up, so I gotta look at the website, see what colors I didn't see, and then we'll go from there, man. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. 2025 should be a great one, man. I'm wishing you guys the best 2025, just like I would hope you wish me the best 2025, man. So with that being said, man, I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in today. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace out.